This is Mandy, and I'm going to make over this old window. On one side, I have some Christmas stuff, and on the back side, I've painted a chalkboard. And we're going to use this old vintage truck transfer. And first, we're going to make some brick roads by using our Plaid transfer. It's 18 by 18, but you can use it on any size that you'd like. Now, I've put it down on my surface, and now I'm applying the chalk paste, and I'm just taking up what extra I have. Now I'm doing the peel and reveal, and I get to see exactly how my design has turned out. I'm gonna dry it, and we're gonna start with the truck. This is the first layer. There's actually gonna be 3 layers that we use. I'm going to just put the first layer on some white chalk paste and get that all over the transfer design, just the design part. Another peel and reveal, and we're going to dry and get ready for our second part, which is going to actually be Plaid. I think this one is so darling. Just one of our favorite transfers that we have available right now. And I'm getting it down in line with the first one. And now I'm just plotting down some chalk paste, and I'm putting it all over the transfer, and I'm making sure that my design is covered. Now another peel and reveal, and got the little turquoise plaid on there now, and drying it. So we'll see how that, make sure it's dry before we put our last layer on. And this is the outer body, I guess you could say. We're going to lay it on the top of the other 2 layers and align it up pretty accurate. And now we're just going to plop some paste on there. Again, just going over the design part, making sure we don't get over the transfer. Even if you do, it's simple and easy to clean up. So we got off the excess and put it back on our tub, and now we're doing another peel and reveal. Ta-da! It's like magic. So now for Valentine's Day, we have some add-ons for all of our holidays, and this one is for Valentine's Day, and it's just a truckload of hearts that we're going to put some pink paste on. Just blopping our paste out. Going to now move the paste all over the transfer, just the areas that have the design on it. We're going to, after that, take up any excess and put it back in the jar. It takes very little paste, as you can see. Peel and reveal to get our truckload of hearts. And we have St. Patrick's Day, we have Christmas, we have Easter. So check out all of our different add-ons. And now we're just going to put some wording here at the top, which is loads of. And again, putting our paste on, removing the excess, and doing a peel and reveal. Okay, and you want to take your transfers up from top to right, or left to right, or top to bottom, and try to bring them straight up if possible. And getting that dried, and to put on our next one. And this one's love. And again, just putting our chalk paste on, removing the excess, and doing a peel and reveal. Left to right, top to bottom, and try to go as straight up as possible. And now I'm just going to remove the painter's tape, and ta-da, here you go.